just washed her up this morning. First thing I did on my birthday, see she clean. Let's get you guys a birthday code start. After the Zonka pissing me off. Today is my birthday. I got these whitening strips in, so don't mind me. I'm already dressed, so I got my birthday outfit on. So yeah, let's see what today brings. Remember, my birthday plans got canceled, so we're just going with the flow. So I really don't know what I'm gonna do today. I'm just really for real going with the flow. I don't know. So yeah, stay tuned. I already answered some of them, but this may be the hectic thing, like all these notifications and telling everybody thank you. So if I didn't get to you, it wasn't on purpose, but I already answered some of them. I'm about to answer some more, but yeah. What's up? Got my nails and feet done. I should have vlogged it, but I be forgetting, y'all. Like, and plus it was hella people in there, so I was low-key getting tired of waiting. Tight. But yeah. Alright. So, little roomy room. You know. Even got a little balcony. Yes, sir. Closet space. A little bathroom action. Yes, sir.
This beat is too nice.
Getting ready, you know, chill, vibe, listen to music. Yeah, I got hungry last night, so I got some pizza. Which I she's again. But yeah, I'm getting ready. About to do some stuff before I do something and switch them. And only one side of the bed and stuff. So y'all just nosy and curious. You can already tell. Dressed. I was gonna do the black, but I feel like the gray one look better. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go get my a gift. Cause I haven't got her Christmas gift yet. I don't give her money, but she already paid for whatever she was gonna pay for. So. Let's see. You know, Friendsgiving / birthday celebration. I got pineapple. We do not think about it. They pass the bench. Pass the bench. Not important. You said car, right? That's what I'm thinking. Chicken nugget. Yeah, she won that shit. Alright. Next word is Hey, hold on, sorry.
Fruit. 1, 2, 3.
I was gonna say great. I think I'm fucking fruit. You want to finish the word? I told you we don't.
You're like crying. You don't know like the whole thing. Okay, you don't have to give them over what you're reading, but I gotta think. Everything else, my mind is true. First thing, you can't go get all right, yeah, so that's my first thing. When you say fruit, I'm thinking of like a fruit. Yeah, we don't think away. I'm not doing this. Oh, shit. Who's that about?
Sure.
Alright. You can't even finish this sentence.
Oh, you recorded? Yeah.
Alright, so you need to go finish the sentence before you go to associated. Next one is orange. 1, 2, 3.
Huge.
Kiwi.
You little one?
Alright, next one. Oh,
Well,
here it is.
I should pineapple now.
Alright, sour. 1, 2, 3.
Straw.
Door.
Nah.
1, 2, 3. Never mind. Squirrel, wait till I say.
Now I gotta wait. Okay.
Big. 1, 2, 3.
Big. What did you say? Big? Because the first one they said big. It's big. It's big.
Alright, next one is dough. 1, 2, 3. Y'all gotta think it. Alright. That's okay. That's what y'all gotta think. Peanuts. 1, 2, 3.
Butter.
Squirrel, you're doing butter. Keep playing.
I wasn't ready. I was about to have my ice to go across my soul in.
Alright. The next one.
They was still fist spot last one.
Wings.
Wings.
What's a hot wing?
Hot wings?
Hot wings.
What the hell you want? You get hot wings.
Well, what you said? I said water. What you said? Hot dog. Somebody think I know wings? I know hot wings.
Yeah. We don't think so. I told you that.
Alright, next one is apple. 1, 2, 3.
Oh. What? That was wrong. Yeah, with that? That wasn't it.
They're supposed to say the same word.
We don't think like I tried to tell you all motherfuckers. Right, applesauce. That was it, man. Hell no. Hell no. We not like.
Alright, the next one is.
I know what it is, but I'm not gonna put this stuff in.
Okay, the next one is.
Push ups or a shot. 2 double shots. I knocked my 10 out. Yeah. Kiana, you got to do it like drill. You should be used to that. You ain't do it.
Hey to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Terrell. Happy birthday.
What's up, you guys? Good morning. It's Christmas Eve. It's Sunday, last day in here. So, about to dip out. Got my bags right here, you know. So, I just got my shoes. One more bag. I went to the store. Trying to make sure I didn't forget nothing. And yeah, about to head out. It is, I think, almost 9. So I ain't until 11. But yeah, I don't sleep good in new places. So yeah, so we ain't gonna worry about it. I'll leave a little bit early. Had to put the microwave back to 0. But yeah, my jug is almost gone. My trash right here. I'll leave. But yeah. Yeah. Look at this long ass walk I have to the elevator. I'm gonna speed this up for y'all. And been checked out. But hey, I want to just tell everyone that wish me a happy birthday. I deeply appreciate it. If you not like, if you comment on my photo, share photos of me or videos, touch my phone, send me paragraphs, you know, I appreciate it all. Some people that didn't tell me happy birthday, that's cool too. But I appreciate everybody that made an effort. Even my friends last night and the Friendsgiving/12 birthday celebration. So I appreciate everybody. 24. Let's see what 24 brings. 23 been, you know, a little more rocky than I thought it was gonna be. But hey, new year, new blessings, new opportunities.